welcome to Total Loot. Today I am reviewing the Peak Design 4-liter outdoor sling in the Eclipse color, a compact carry that's clearly built with intent. From the outside, the first thing you notice is the fabric. It's a rugged, weather-resistant, recycled nylon with a tight weave that feels durable but not stiff. It has that slightly matte, technical finish that Peak Design is known for, which keeps it looking clean even with regular outdoor use. The Eclipse color I see is understated and practical, a deep, muted tone that works equally well for travel, daily carry or outdoor use. It doesn't scream for attention but looks premium and purposeful. If you see the zippers, which are smooth and confident, inspiring with oversized pulls that are easy to grab even with one hand. Peak Design cord pull system is well thought out, long enough for quick access, firm enough to stay put, and designed for it doesn't flap around or feel cheap. Overall, the design is minimal but intentional. No unnecessary panels, no visual clutter. Every seam, curve, and attachment points feels deliberate. From the outside alone, this sling already communicates durability, balance, and the thoughtful engineering, exactly what you expect from Peak Design. Inside you have two big pockets where you can easily keep your wallets. And inside that you have another zip pocket where you can keep your erratas. Outside it is a large opening and you have a Peak Design logo which says Outdoor Sling 4-liter. The cord and the strap which is included as part of the system is long, durable, with the same material it has been made. And if you see at the end, it has a straps which can attach very easily to your bag. One of the unique features of the Peak Design outdoor sling is this buckle, which is very easy to close and open it with one single click. Attaching this strap is also very easy. There are 2 points of attachment available on each side of the bag. So you take one end, and with the pop which Peak Design is famous for, you just attach it simply. It's very easy to attach, no frill. On the reverse side of it, you have an attachment which can loosen and tighten the strap as per the preference and the height of yours. It can then later on be put inside the bag itself, so you have a very clean interface which is available on your backside when you are keeping it on your body. On the both side, you can flip it inside, and it is very convenient and good looking. The front of it again has a cycling or a stability attachment point, and also it has got a buckle. This buckle is very easy to attach and remove. You just need to press a button and it opens like a snap. Now next we will show you the stability strap, which is very easy to attach. On the bottom of the bag you attach this stability strap. Take this cord, rotate, and in the front you just put it in. Now let us see how does it feel like while I am holding on my side. I am 6 foot 3 inches height, so you can see I have loosened the attachment so that it fits very nicely onto the side base portion. Now I can also put this sling on the back side. This is the preferred way by which I travel and I commute through the cycle. You see, this is the stability loop which I have taken it from the back side, and in the front I am just attaching it like this. Now this provides me enough stability while I am riding, so it doesn't go out at all. In comparison to 7 liters, which has got cinch at the bottom, it doesn't have any. Inside it has got 2 pockets, whereas the 7 liter has got the 3 pockets in front. Now is the time for full load out. These are the items which I carry for my office commute. I have put it all here, and let's see how does it all fit inside. After using this, the 4-liter size honestly feels like a sweet spot. It's more usable than 2 liters but less bulky than the 7 liter, and incredibly light to carry on how much it holds. You can pack more than you expect and it never feels heavy or awkward on the body. This is one of those slings you enjoy wearing, and yes, it's a kind of gear you genuinely feel proud to carry. Full marks to Peak Design.